Hi, I'm Christian, aka Snakebird, and welcome to my channel. Numbers define who we are, so you should hit that subscribe button to help me feel better about myself. My lifelong dream is to surpass ninjaydes in subscribers, so you should really hit that button to help me out. Please enjoy the video, and remember, bigger number, better person. Oh wow, you look at God. Welcome back, everybody. Look at that.
Is that it? What's this?
It's the truth. It's the soul of the true culprit who made this mystery labyrinth.
The soul of the true culprit.
So we cut
Wait,
this one?
what am I supposed to do with this?
I'm just thinking about how that hat is fake.
Now it's time for the main event.
Oh, Shinigami's about to violate his corpse.
It's my time to shine.
What does she do?
Oh no, I don't know, but she's about to like do some crazy stuff to this guy's corpse. It's like how she's basically Monokuma.
Bloodlust.
She's about to execute him
Overflowing despair.
in a creative way.
The brilliant soul of Shinigami shall expunge this cursed case. Into all deplorables. To the final mystery labyrinth.
The scythe has an eye, it's like Soul Eater. Did the song actually have words? Do you hear someone singing?
She's saying whatever she's saying.
Well, there's elephants under it. Bro, I guess it's because he's the animal guy.
I guess so.
I once had dreams that this would take under 2 hours, but it's okay. Silver girl with the engraved with the word money on it. Upper incisors.
Girl made
Are those called incisors, ninjaydes? She'll know. Girl made a golden order.
I'm sure it is.
Amaterasu.
Wow, so we're back. Oh,
We're back.
time.
Guys, I have a great thing to tell you.
No time passed at
Uh-huh.
all.
We're back?
What are you talking about now? Your spirit shouldn't be broken.
Ah, there he is.
Well, let me tell you one thing.
Peacekeepers will take care of you. We have all the time in the world.
Huh?
What?
He's just a bit taken aback.
Shinigami! Where are you? Nothing here's changed. What's going on?
Shinigami?
Get
That's how
it?
you have to do more stuff.
Wait! I know who the culprit is!
What?
It's Zilch! He's still alive. He framed me.
Yeah, you guys should
What are you
listen to me.
talking about? He's already dead.
Isn't he in on it?
But
So why is he
Shut
saying
up.
know.
This is not up for discussion. What a waste of time. Take him away.
Shinigami! Where did you go? This isn't what's supposed to happen!
I'm right here.
Okay.
She's back.
You're so cute when you panic, so why head to enjoy the view for a bit?
Stop playing around! Why hasn't the situation changed at all?
I like how they're all just watching him talk.
I know.
He must be hallucinating. Taking him down shouldn't be a problem. Take him away. What? He's dead?
Looks like it's over.
Huh?
Oh, wait, Zilch died?
Oh, did he?
Did Shinigami, like, reap his soul?
What's over?
What?
Shinigami, what's going on?
There's always a price to pay.
Oh, for creating a mystery
The
labyrinth?
soul of the true culprit, the mystery labyrinth created by the culprit, is destroyed. But as a price, the source that created the mystery labyrinth also perishes.
The source
Oh, she just straight up murdered him.
He just dies when his mystery is found out?
Oh, yeah. Shinigami actually murdered him.
That's right, the true culprit dies.
Then that report saying Zilch, the true culprit, was dead.
And that solves today's mystery. The true culprit is as dead as a doornail. You're now innocent and free to go, Master. A happy
That's not
ending.
how it works,
A
right?
I don't think so. Well, I guess it does in Can I Award.
Zilch died because I solved the mystery, right?
Huh? He was a dangerous murderer who killed 4 master detectives. He deserved to die.
I mean, I don't think I'm completely free to go. Not even with Zilch being dead.
In that case, say exactly what I'm about to tell you to that gilded idiot over there.
Oh no, is she gonna like bribe him? What's it gonna?
Okay. Swank, did you just receive a report that Zilch was dead?
How did you know that?
I thought so. If he was alive until moments ago, that changes things about this case. Someone who died in front of my eyes, was alive. This is clearly an attempt by the culprit to disguise the truth. Don't tell me the Peacekeepers lied to try to cover up what really happened. You didn't try to frame an innocent person, did you?
What? You think you can weasel your way out of this? You better not forget you're in Kanai Ward now. You're powerless before the might of the Amaterasu Corporation.
Everybody here is part of the Amaterasu Corporation.
Didn't mean...
Hey, don't
My
surrender
power
so easily.
for one
You were
company.
so close.
That does it. You're under
Oh my god, his hair
arrest.
flew up.
Listen, you got no right to remain silent, and you got no right to call a lawyer either. Take him away.
Well, chapter 1 in the prison arc.
Hold on just a
New
second.
person.
Hey, excuse me. Do you have a minute?
You.
It's all good. Let's stop all the fighting.
Random
We
guy.
both have to follow orders from the higher ups, so let's not do anything that causes unnecessary tension.
So spiky.
Falsifying evidence and testimonies is a drag when it comes time to do the paperwork, right?
He has such an American
It's
voice
tough
actor.
keeping things consistent. Just forget about all that and leave it to me, yeah? You know, I saw that the true culprit was alive and well just a bit ago.
What?
If you let us go, I'll cook something up in my report to the World Detective Organization. You don't want trouble, right? If the WDO floods this joint because of you. Your punishment might be kind of brutal. So, you know what to do. Leave things well enough alone, as they say.
As they say.
Who says?
They people. Ugh.
Let's go.
Okay.
Thank goodness that worked out.
Who is he?
Beats me?
WDO member.
He has to be.
Oh my god, we're gonna. Alright, finally. There we go. What do you have to say to people?
I liked it. It
You
was
liked
cool.
it? Well, it's not done yet.
Yeah, but I like it so far.
Okay. Thanks for watching, Ninjaydes.
Yeah, see you next time.